Hi everyone, nice to see you again and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I paint the mushroom. And in this painting I used A4 and roughly paper. And I started with the wet into wet technique with my mop brush because this painting I using a lot of water. So you can see I lightly wash the background to highlight my mushroom. You can start it with lightly sketching with the mushroom shape. And the mushroom shape looks like many curvy line and with some circle like oval shape. And then I started to change my brush with the Chinese brush. And this one is good to add with more texture of the mushroom. And the mop brush is good to add some of the shadow. So that's why I swap these two brushes. And also we can focus on the wet into wet and wet on dry. So some place they might still wet, so you can add more layers on the top to get the more middle level. And if you some area you add the too intense color, you can use your mop brush to make it smooth. And be careful when you add some shade for them because this is white subject. So always keep more white space. And then I join some green leaves. And I separate with a few layers of the green leaves. Like a yellow green, green and dark green and olive green. Because my mushroom is white, so I didn't use too much color for my white mushroom. So it's good to use the other color and like these green leaves. Then I add a bit green color into my shadow of the mushroom to make they are in the good connection. Looks like they are in the same space. And you always can go back to add the detail and outline as well. And because this mushroom is white, so when you add some texture, avoid to make it too strong. Okay, so I think this subject is good for the intermediate. So hope you enjoyed and see you next time.